Alright, so I'm going to change the diesel filter. You don't need to take the wheel off. You can reach in behind the wheel, there's plenty of space, but I'm just having a look in here because it's the first time that I've taken this back wheel off since I bought the truck. It's good to see it's had new brakes, disc pads, new caliper, and the guy told me that the rear airbags were replaced as well, and they do look pretty fresh. So yeah, I'm happy with that. It has been a genuine Land Rover oil, fuel filter on it, so I don't know when it was last changed. So I'm just going to do it now. I'm going to use Mali, it's a part number if you need it, and I'm going to fill it with some diesel cleaner, and hopefully that'll keep it nice and fresh until the next service. So first thing I'm going to do is slacken this bleed valve off, or drain valve. Easier said than done. Oh, that was nice and easy. Happy days. Ah yes. Alright, so I'll put some of this. Seems like a really straightforward job, this. Holds more than you think it does. Maybe taking the whole ball. Oh well. Alright, it doesn't get much more simpler than that. Now we just got to bleed it and hopefully it fires up first time. I'll put the wheel on that back on first. I'm sure it'll be fine. So in theory, a couple turns of the key to prime it, and then it should fire up. You can hear the pump running. there's no leaks. No leaks from the filter. Yeah, you can, when you turn the key, you can kind of hear the air going through. So I turned it, I cycled the key 3 times, fired up, no bother, happy days. Probably the easiest, by a mile, fuel filter I've ever changed in 20 years of being in the motor trade. Absolute piece of cake. So that's the disc oil serviced. Well, oil, fuel filter's changed, and I cleaned out the K&N. It was badly choked up, so I've given it, it's spotless again, but I didn't have any oil to re-oil it, so I'll have to buy a tub of that. And I did all the usual checks, tested the brake fluid, but all the calipers and everything's been replaced prior to me buying it, so the brake fluid's all new. Checked the coolant, it's fine. Brake, steering fluid is fine. So I greased up all the catches, the hinges, done the tyre pressures, but I do that every week anyway. Yeah, so it's good to go for a little while longer. Yeah, happy days. Alright, so that fuel filter replacement was so easy, I'm not even sure it was worth recording. There's nothing to it. Dead easy. You don't even have to put the diesel treatment in it. I just do it. Put that stuff in every service. Helps with the emissions, keeps the engine clean. So it's supposed to anyway. So yeah, I mean, it'll be a real short video of that one. I'm sure there's probably plenty on YouTube already about it. So anyway, cheers for watching. See you in the next one.